Hello children, welcome to Easy Art for Children. Today we are going to do a baby dinosaur. He is getting ready for the school. He or she, let's see. So how to do it? Let's start. I am just drawing his head first. It's a circle, a little bit of oval. I am making an oval. Then the eyes. He is looking one side, so I am making one eye's big, and the other eyes will be somewhere here. I'll color it. Okay, now the eyes are done, and now I'm going to do the nose, and nose is here. There will be two dots. Then the mouth is here. Fine. Now I'll do the body. So the body, it is just simply like this. From here again another line coming left, 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 and far left. I'll join it. Got it? Now the legs, the hind legs is here, big and strong, and the nails 1, 2, and 3. The other leg will be here, similarly 1, 2, and 3. What about the front legs? I told you he's going to school, so he's checking a book. He's holding a book. So I made two lines here. I made one hand and another hand. In this hand, two lines. He's holding the book and he's reading the book. So the other hand is here. Yes. So it's holding a book. Now here's the school bag also. So I made a school bag. It's not a very big bag, but a very small bag. Fine. Okay. Now we'll do little bit details here. He has some humps, so I'll do a few humps here also, little bit smaller towards the end, and there is a line here. Okay, now we'll make some circles. Easy. Few circles here also. Fine. Anything else? We'll make some grass and flower like this. Very easy. You want flower? You can make some flower here. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go for coloring. I just want to give her some flower, so we can add some flower for her. It looks nice. And a band also I'm putting. Is it fine? Let's color it. I'm coloring it. So I'm coloring green. You can choose your colors. This is a very beautiful color. And I'm coloring the back. Fine. Now I'll color the body. Not the back. You can color the back differently because color is not his body and back is not his body. Yeah. Okay. Fine. See, I colored it all over. We color it nicely. I'll color the belly a little bit yellow because he's the kid, not he. So later with colorful. Yeah. I'll take a dark color and putting it here. Few dark color dots.